Greetings, I'm David Wolfe. Are you ready to make healthy, delicious desserts at home in literally seconds? Introducing the dessert bullet. Let me show you how the dessert bullet works. We've got frozen bananas, frozen pitted cherries, bought them from the store just like this, and then I've got some raw organic cacao nibs. Okay, what I'm gonna do is take some of these bananas, just pop them in here. And bananas are a great source of potassium, yes, but they also contain a very high amount of tryptophan, so they help us to produce those feel-good chemicals like serotonin. Now, cherries have a high antioxidant content on top of those amino acids that help us feel so great and help us produce those neurotransmitters. So I'm gonna take some of those cherries, pop them in here. And then over here, there's our cacao nibs. Now, this is the #1 antioxidant food in the world. It's extraordinarily high in magnesium. It's rich in anandamide and phenethylamines, and these are more feel-good chemicals, so we definitely are gonna be feeling good after this recipe. Okay. Check out how delicious that looks. But let's see how this tastes. Wow, that is amazing. Not only is it amazing, but it's raw, it's vegan, it's gluten-free, dairy-free, and absolutely delicious. With the dessert bullet, you're gonna be able to create incredible desserts just like this that are nutritious. In fact, they're so healthy, you'll be able to have them every single day. Wow.